Guys, kinikilig ako. Finally kasi na-try ko na ang super famous na Iho Bakery. And guess what? No need to travel all the way to Batangas kasi may branch na sila sa Santa Rosa, Laguna. If you know the Paseo Outlet Store, super lapit lang nito doon. We ended up getting 3 boxes. Yes, 3 kasi lahat mukhang masarap. And naubos namin in one sitting. Yes, pati kids in love sa pastries nila. As in, lahat talaga ng binili namin, promise masarap. But my favorites are the cheese tart, pistachio roll, the almond and raspberry. Super sarap din ng strawberry tart nila. After trying it for the first time, I really love the great quality and flavor. Flaky, buttery, expertly laminated pastries, good balance for me, not overly sweet. Ang ganda ng pagkakagawa. Ang ganda ng branch nila dito sa Laguna. So many flavors to choose from. Sweet, savory options, plus may mga creative twist din sila. As in, parang gusto mong bilhin lahat pero hindi pwede. Ha? I also like the great attention to detail, packaging, reheating instructions, plus the product presentation, very impressive. Ang sarap na mahirap mamili ng pastries na bibilhin dito. Ang dami ng options, mukhang masasarap pa lahat, kaya parang gusto mong bilhin lahat. This is the kind of hype na worth it talaga. Kaya pala yung iba dumadayo pa ng Batangas just to try Iho Bakery. Can't wait to do another Santa Rosa trip just to try Iho Bakery soon. Kayo ba, have you tried this? Share naman your favorites.